Your website should be more than a simple online brochure. It needs to be a digital fortress. This fortress is a structured system designed to stand strong over time. It defends your market share against competitors. It attracts the right customers through search engines. It prepares your business for the new world of AI-driven answers. The purpose of this guide is to give you a repeatable blueprint. This is not about quick tricks or temporary hacks. This is a method for building long-term authority, securing local visibility, ensuring your content is ready for generative AI systems. By following these steps, you create a powerful asset that consistently generates visibility, leads, revenue. The core idea is simple. Every piece of your website must have a job. No page should exist without a clear purpose. Attract new visitors by answering their questions. Convert visitors into customers. Build trust and prove your legitimacy to users and search engines like Google. When these pages are linked in a logical structure, they support one another. The whole becomes greater than the sum of its parts. Your website becomes the go-to authority in your niche and geographic area. This system matters now more than ever. Search is changing. These are called zero-click searches. AI tools like ChatGPT, Google's Gemini. They synthesize content from across the web to build answers. A weak, unstructured website will be ignored. A strong, well-organized website, a fortress, provides clear, citable, authoritative information. That visibility extends into AI-powered answers. Building this fortress takes discipline and consistency. It's not overnight. The process is straightforward. We'll break it into clear, manageable phases. Research what customers are asking for. Structure your site to meet that demand. Create content that serves humans and algorithms. Scale your presence locally. Amplify with paid advertising. A practical plan for business owners and small marketing teams ready to build dominance. The first step in building your fortress is understanding the landscape. You cannot build walls without knowing what you are defending. This means you must start with keyword research. Your goal is to uncover the exact words and phrases your potential customers use when they are looking for your services. We will use a combination of AI tools and traditional search planners. AI tools. Traditional search planners start by asking an AI tool like ChatGPT broad questions. Start by asking an AI tool like Gemini broad questions. For example, what are the most common questions people have when they need a new roof? The AI will generate a list of topics and questions that serve as your starting point. This is where a tool like Google Keyword Planner comes in. Take the phrases from your AI research and plug them into the Keyword Planner. This tool will show you how many people are actually searching for these terms each month. It gives you concrete data to back up your strategy. As you analyze the results, sort every keyword into one of three buckets. Bucket 1. Core service keywords. Example, industrial automation services. Example, medtech software development. These are transactional terms. Bucket 2. Customer questions. Example, how to choose a SaaS provider. These are informational terms. Bucket 3. Local intent keywords. City, state, neighborhood. Example, SEO agency in Medina, Ohio. Example, PPC management near Akron. This local bucket is critical for capturing customers in your service area. After you have sorted all your relevant keywords, the next step is to establish a clear and consistent taxonomy. This simply means you need to lock in the official names for your core services. If you offer generative engine optimization, you must call it that everywhere. Do not call it AI SEO on one page and GEO services on another. This consistency is crucial for search engines and for users. Choose one primary name for each service you offer. This name will become the anchor for your entire content strategy. Page titles, metadata, body content, internal links, structured data. By creating this strict taxonomy, you eliminate confusion and concentrate all your website's authority around a single, clear concept for each service. This disciplined approach makes your site easier for Google to understand and rank, forming the solid bedrock of your fortress. You can now design the structure of your website. We will use a powerful model known as the hub and spoke system. Think of it like a wheel. The hub is a broad, comprehensive page about a core service topic. The spokes are more specific pages that branch off from the hub. Each spoke answers a detailed question related to that topic. This structure organizes your content, incredibly helpful for users, and highly favored by search engines. It turns your site from a collection of random pages into a logical library of expertise. Let's use an example. Imagine your company offers cybersecurity services. Hub example: yoururl.com/cybersecurity. Hub covers what cybersecurity is. Hub covers why it's important. Hub covers types of threats businesses face. It is designed to be a definitive resource. Create multiple spoke pages to address specific customer questions. Spoke URL example: yoururl.com/cybersecurity/what-is-ransomware. Spoke URL example: yoururl.com/cybersecurity/how-to-prevent-phishing attacks. Each spoke provides a deep, focused answer on one subtopic. Every spoke page must link back up to its parent hub page. This sends authority signals inward to the hub, telling Google it's a pillar. The hub page should link out to its most important spoke pages. Spoke pages should also link to your main transactional service page. Service page, where you actually sell your cybersecurity service. This creates a clear path for the user. They arrive on a spoke page seeking an answer, travel to the hub for more context, and are then guided to the service page to convert into a lead. This architecture accomplishes several goals at once. Provides a fantastic user experience, a logical learning journey, builds immense topical authority. When Google sees this organized, interlinked cluster, it recognizes your website as an expert. That makes the hub, the spokes, and the service page more likely to rank, fortifying your position as a market leader. Section 4. Phase 4. Establishing trust and authority. A fortress is useless if nobody trusts that it is secure and legitimate. The same is true for your website. You must build trust with both your visitors and with search engines. This is accomplished by creating a specific suite of pages, credibility, transparency, expertise. These are often called trust pages, and they are not optional. Every professional website must have, at minimum, the following pages: a contact page, a privacy policy terms of service, and an HTML sitemap. These pages show that you are a real business that is accountable to its customers and respects their privacy. The contact page should be easy to find and comprehensive. Include your full business name, physical address, and phone number. NAP. This NAP information must be identical everywhere it appears online, from your website to your Google business profile to other directories. Consistency is key. Your privacy policy and terms of service pages are legal necessities that explain how you handle user data and the rules for using your site. An HTML sitemap provides a simple, linked list of all the pages on your site, helping both users and search engine crawlers navigate your content and understand its structure. To elevate your authority further, you need to showcase the people behind the business. This is where an About page and individual team pages come in. The About page should tell the story of your company, why you exist, what problems you solve, and what your mission is. Go beyond a generic corporate statement. Make it human. Then, create individual biography pages for your key leadership and team members. These pages are critical for what Google calls EEAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. A detailed bio listing of founders' credentials, industry experience, and publications proves they are a real expert. Include a professional headshot. Finally, you must implement a robust stack of schema markup. Schema is a type of code that you add to your website's backend to help search engines understand your content more deeply. For building trust, the most important types are organization, local business, or professional service. This markup allows you to explicitly state your business name, address, phone number, hours of operation, and more in a machine-readable format. For example, you can use organization schema on your homepage and local business on your contact page, including your IMR contact details as a model. This structured data confirms your identity and location, reinforcing the signals from your trust pages.